I am a cattle rancher. I have ranch properties. That's the reason I ended up tying all of this back together, is with the acreages that I've purchased over the years. I've been able to put them under lease options, not all of my parcels, but some of my land, for solar development. And so because of Landgate and the fact I was taking a course in Denver towards my credits for my ALC designation, which is through the Real Estate Land Institute, Landgate offered a course that I chose to partake in and really learned a lot to kind of kick it off. And I think the last time Brooke and I spoke in a webinar, I kind of explained to everyone that at the time I was going through a process, had just kind of began the process on 1,100 acres that I own near Pueblo, Colorado, in the area of Boone. As Brooke's showing on the map here, my property's over on the right-hand side, those 4 parcels that are in red and yellow. And we couldn't quite understand what was going on at the time, but we eventually worked together and figured out that Excel was creating their Power Pathways project, which was 500 miles of transmission lines through the state of Colorado. And that transmission line is actually going to run along my western boundary. So on that, the parcel that Brooke's pointing to there. So that gave me an immense opportunity. Something that has come up since the last time we were on a webinar together is they located a place for a substation, and it is just 2 miles north, or excuse me, 2 miles south of my parcel. So the parcel you're pointing to right there is a state section of land that I actually have leased. The next parcel below that is Ed Heise's, and just below that is the Perrys, and they are going to build, they just announced that a couple months ago, the substation for that region right there on the neighbor's property.
Congratulations. That brings up the likelihood that you're going to get that solar lease on that property.
It gets us one step closer. Yeah, so that was very exciting news that has come up since our last webinar.
Wow. Congratulations, Joette.